Chapter 5, Arithmetic Operations on Signed Numbers. Student learning objectives are add numbers with the same sign, add numbers with different signs, subtract signed numbers, multiply or divide signed numbers. To add numbers with the same sign, if the signs are the same, add the absolute values of the numbers. In the answer, use the common sign. For example, let's add numbers that have the same sign. -4 plus -8, they have the same sign. So the answer here is going to be -12. 3 plus 6, they have the same number. The answer here is going to be 9. To add numbers with different signs, find the difference between the larger and the smaller absolute values. In the answer, use the sign of the number having the larger absolute value. For example, add numbers with the different signs. -8 plus 14, we subtract 8 from 14. So this here, we write 14 minus 8. This is equal to 6. The sign of the larger number is positive. So 6, the answer will be also positive. 13 plus -54. They have opposite signs. So we subtract 13 from 54. So we do 54 minus 13. -54 minus 13 is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 1 is 4, 41. The sign of the larger number, the larger absolute value, the sign of the number with the largest absolute value is negative. So the answer will be negative. The absolute value of -54 is greater than absolute value of 13. And the sign of -54 is negative, so it's -41. To subtract sign numbers, add the opposite of the second number. So that means we rewrite this as an addition problem. We keep the sign of the first number as is. We change the minus, the subtraction into addition. And then -14, we take the opposite sign. If it is negative, it becomes +14. If it is +14, it would become -14. So whatever sign it is, we take the opposite sign for the second number. Now we have an addition problem. We add the two numbers. We're adding two numbers with opposite signs. So subtract the smaller absolute value from the larger one. 14 minus 4 is 10. The sign of the larger absolute value is positive. The answer is going to be positive. To multiply or divide signed numbers, if the two numbers have the same sign, multiply or divide. The result is positive. If the two numbers have different signs, multiply or divide, the result is negative. So here we're multiplying two numbers that have the same sign, negative numbers. The result is positive. So this is 24. Two numbers with opposite signs, the product is negative. So -32. So easy way to remember, for multiplication, if they have the same sign, the result is positive. If they have opposite signs, multiplying a negative number with a positive number or a positive number with a negative number, the result is negative. Replace this multiplication by division. The answer will be exactly the same. Now let's divide. -40 divided by -5 is 8. We're dividing two negative numbers. The result is positive. We're dividing one number is negative, the other is positive. 21 divided by -7, the result is going to be negative. It's going to be 3, -3.